Hey guys, Jeannie here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a new series of videos that I'm going to be bringing you guys. These are kind of like DIY household related videos. So when it comes to anything that's like electric, anything that is plumbing related, anything that's household related, if you're going to hire someone else to do it, it's going to be crazy expensive. So I'm going to go through and share with you guys some tips and tricks throughout this series on how you can do some common everyday household needs yourself, so you don't have to hire someone else to come in and do it. I'm going to share with you guys how you can unclog your own toilet at home without having to hire a plumber. So you're only going to need a few things. You're going to need a big bowl for some water. You're going to need some dish soap. You're also going to need this little tool right here. It's called Toilet Shroom, and it is a plunger plus squeegee brush. So you can go ahead and pick this up online. I'll have it linked below. So this is everything that you're going to need to unclog your own toilet. So let's just go ahead and unclog it. All right, you guys, so this is the product I was telling you guys about. It's on Amazon for $17.99. $17.99 and you could reuse this product. Definitely cheaper than a plumber. So what it's going to come with is a caddy that you can go ahead and put the plunger inside. And then you're also going to get the tool that's actually going to unclog your toilet. And then you're going to get a handle as well, because this is going to help you extend deep into the toilet. All right, so what makes this different than an actual plunger is it gets into the actual pipe to help push through whatever is clogging the toilet. So this is what makes it different than an actual standard plunger, but you could also use it as a plunger as well. And that's how you're going to just go ahead and clear away whatever is clogging the toilet. It literally took me 30 seconds. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is add in a cup of dish soap. So I'm using the 7th generation. There's already a half a cup in the toilet already. But what you wanna do is just put a full cup of dish soap in your toilet and just let it sit there. Do not flush it yet. All right, then you wanna set your kitchen timer for 30 minutes because you want the dish soap to set for 30 minutes. And then you want to go ahead and add a bucket of hot water, and this is going to clear everything away. And it was so easy to do. Now let's give it the test. And we have success. My toilet is no longer clogged. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know if this type of video is helpful for you. I have one involving the dryer next go around. So make sure you leave in the comment section below if you guys are enjoying these DIY household videos, so I know to keep filming them for you guys. And let me know in the comment section below if there's something specific in your home that you've been looking to do. Let me know. I have a sink unclogging video as well, so I do know how to unclog my sink as well without having to call a plumber. My goal, if anything goes wrong in my house, I want to be able to fix it before having to call someone else in, because that's just going to save you so much money. So again, definitely go and check out Toilet Shroom, because this is an awesome product to have. And you can reuse it over and over again. So don't forget to like this video so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later. Bye.